I believe this is the first time we've done a house tour in this village. This is in Nueva, Alabang. It's centrally located in this area. So if you've been to Alabang and maybe you haven't heard of this place, or if you have, then you know just how convenient this location is. Exclusive subdivision, beautiful houses, and we actually have one in the market right now. So we're gonna do a full house tour, and hopefully you guys enjoyed, because I certainly did. It's a brand new house in a very good location. We have a brand new house and lot for sale here in Nueva, Alabang. So on the left side, you will see that you have a 2-vehicle carport leading to, of course you have the gate. And then on the rightmost side, you have another gate, and that's gonna lead you to a single vehicle carport. So in other words, you can fit 3 vehicles. And then here in the middle, you have your pedestrian gate just to this side. So when you enter, you have access to the 2-vehicle carport as well as the single one, but we'll go there later. And then from here, the left side is open, and you are gonna have a pathway leading to the backyard. So na-spoil ko na yung sarili ko, I already know that there's gonna be a swimming pool. And then just a quick peek, I just wanna see what this side looks like. So you have a planter box over here, and then your single vehicle carport will lead also to the side of the house where the service area is. So may mga built-in na doon. We're gonna check that out later, and a few doors, including this one. Remember this one? Okay, so it leads to one of the rooms. Kita na pala. But first, let's go through the main entrance. We have a solid wooden door with a digital door lock. And then once you enter, you have open space. So the first thing that that caught my attention was this accent wall. So you have stone tiles over here for your entertainment. You already have your built-in shelving, and then lots of windows on this side basically, and it's going to be open for your living room setup as well as your dining. Your dining going directly under this modern chandelier. And then from your dining, you can open this up to lead to your backyard or your covered patio with a swimming pool. That is a nice water feature. So the stairs, so meron talagang handle. So actually, it's safe for seniors. I know, yun agad yung naisip ko. Yung mga gusto mag-exercise every day via a swimming pool. Kasi hindi siya super lalim. Mukhang, I'm gonna guess it's about 4 feet. More or less. Medyo hanggang baba. So that is nice. Okay, now on this side, we have a kitchen. Again, it's open, but it feels segmented from the dining area. Then you have lots of counter space. Then you have an island counter here in the middle for your bar and then your prep. There's storage underneath this one, but what's nice is you have outlets hidden here. So hindi siya kita when you're on the bar. Pero pag nagpe-prep ka dito, pwede ka magsaksak na appliances nang hindi siya mababasa. On this side, you have your sink. And then on that side, you have your stove. And then dito yung ref. So it still creates that cooking triangle. That's very much the ideal setup. Then from your kitchen, oh, by the way, all of the areas that we've gone through so far, very high ceiling. Okay, so from your kitchen, you have access to a staff quarters. So this is actually quite spacious. High ceiling din siya, and then meron na siyang ensuite right here. And then this door leads back outside to your daily or your service kitchen. So yeah, again, as I mentioned earlier, you have a built-in counter over here with your stove and your sink. And then this is I like this. This is for your washing machine. So at least hindi pumiyok. At least hindi mababasa ng ulan at hindi maarawan yung washing machine, because let's face it, those appliances are investment, they are expensive. So I'm glad that this is nakapasok siya. Love that. And then this is another staff Yeah, this is a staff room. And this one also. Oh no. Ah, so it's the staff ensuite toilet and bath, but it also has access outside. So in case gusto nilang mag-CR before heading out, hindi nila kailangan pumasok sa kwarto. That's nice. That's very thoughtful. And then, silipin ko lang to just in case there's something in the corner. Oh, are you okay? Dragonfly just died. Oh, rest in peace. Okay, so, nandito yung mga tanks, and then, I just want to check this one out, sorry. This is locked. But it seems like it's a it is. It's also a toilet and bath that has access from here, from the staff quarters sa loob. So I guess pwede rin mag-act yung toilet and bath na yun as the quick shower area from the swimming pool, to and from the swimming pool. Oops. Okay. So we're back in the kitchen, and we have two sliding doors over here. Oh, it's the pantry. There we go. That's unique. Okay, I haven't seen this kind of layout. So this is nice. So you have an accent wall over here with two sliding doors, and they open up to your shelving for storage, food storage, your pantry. That's lovely. And then on this side, you have an accent shelf, and I say that because you have basically the similar idea as your accent wall for the entertainment, just in different colors and finishes. You have your main stairs, we'll go there later. Right next to the main stairs, you have your breaker room slash storage. And then this is the guest accessible toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. Now this one is also the ensuite toilet and bath for this room. So ito yung access niya to that toilet and bath. So this is bedroom number 1. It's on the ground floor, right next to the main entrance. You have lots of space, high ceiling, lahat ng ilaw, ang dami by the way, are pin lights. But you have a lot of natural light thanks to the windows. And then these two in the corner, you can open up to let in fresh air, and then open those out for cross ventilation. And then this is the door that leads out to the single vehicle carport. So this can be an office actually. Kung hindi mo pa kailangan ng elderly room here on the ground floor and you wanna entertain clients, perhaps you can have them park on that side, and then yun yung entrance nila so that they don't need to enter the rest of the house. Okay, that is it for the ground floor. But before we head up the second, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more houses like this, by the way, this one is in Nueva, Alabang. Make sure you check out our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us. Invest with Presello. Okay, so on the second floor, by the way, the stairs, the steps themselves are solid wood, and then the flooring for the second floor corridor is tiled. Big cut tiles, by the way. Okay, so let's head this way first. So there are two doors. Unahin natin ito nasa dulo. So here we have bedroom number 2. You have wooden flooring. Now these are what looks like engineered wood planks. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like. Very nice, by the way. And then, you have an ensuite toilet and bath here with your his and her sinks, an enclosed corner shower space, and then your toilet. So I will go on ahead and assume that this is the primary room. So you have an accent wall over there for your headboard. And then this is where your This is where your entertainment will go. That's not gonna be the TV that you use, pero kay bahala. I mean, pang CCTV monitor lang naman to, pero for the time being, why not? And then on this corner, you have a vanity complete with drawers with your mirror and then shelving over here. Then on this side, you have a walk-through closet with a glass enclosure to keep your clothes and your stuff neat. You have hanging rods, shelves, drawers. and then it goes around this corner. I would say it would look good for your bags to be stored here. And then his and hers, and then gowns and long clothes, and then of course the drawers are for the smaller items. This is a lovely room actually. Ito yung bintana, oh, puro halaman din yung view. Okay, then across that one, we have bedroom number 3. Wow, kompleto na yung built-ins, huh? So you have wardrobe space over here, your shelving, storage up top, closed wardrobe space for your hanging rods and drawers, and then may built-in na rin siyang vanity. And this is where your bed actually goes. I like the layout of this room. It's very practical. So dito yung kama, you can fit a queen-sized bed or bigger, pero syempre you want as much free space as you can. Big window again, and then this is where your entertainment goes. You already have your built-in outlets here. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and again, your enclosed corner shower space. By the way, this opens like that. So you hop on and hop off your shower area via the corner. Okay, now to the other side of the floor. We have 3 doors this time. Let's check this one out first. Here we have bedroom number 4. Okay, so you have this much space. You have different levels for your ceiling. Most lighting is pin lights, pero may cove lighting ka dito at saka doon. So mas mababa tong part na to. And it's up to you where you want to put your bed actually. This might be the smartest area to do so, this dito entertainment. Then you have a built-in wardrobe over here with shelving on the left as well as on the right side. And then you have an ensuite, toilet and bath. Oh, sorry, with your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. And this one, you have a sliding door over here. So double access tong toilet and bath na to. And it leads to bedroom number 5. Tama? Yeah, 4 yun, 5 to, tama. So this room is has a different configuration. You have a corner window, ish. And then you have access to a balcony at the front of the property. So ito pala yung nakikita natin from the facade. So this is the view of your neighborhood. Very quiet, very exclusive. And again, this is in Alabang. So the moment you go out of your village, nasa Alabang Road, Alabang Zapote Road ka na agad. So very, very convenient. Okay, so now we know that this door is at the end of the hall. So now we only need to go through this door. And this is bedroom number 6. So you have lots of wardrobe space with the vanity and the shelving already included. You have an accent wall over here for your bed. You have access to a balcony again at the front of the property. This one is more narrow than the other one that we saw, but it's definitely enough to put some chairs in and hang out in. And then across that you have an ensuite, toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. I can't believe that we've already gone through so many bedrooms. Nasa second floor pa lang tayo. So that makes me very curious as to what's on the 3rd floor. So let's head up. Oh, it's just one massive open space. Okay, this one is standard height. Or, ay hindi, it's slightly below standard height. But wow, what an open space, like literally. So, tas dalawa pa yung aircon. Symmetric naman, dalawang aircon, dalawang exhaust. Okay, so this is definitely the family area or your den. It's where you'll be installing your full entertainment TV, your gaming consoles. This is where you'll be storing your board games. And then sa side na to, mukhang maganda siyang office actually. Like just a long desk where all the PCs are, the printers, etc. Family room. I like it. It's nice and open. But it's very private because it's on the 3rd floor. Yung makakaakit lang dito yung family talaga and the select few family friends whom you will actually allow to go up the 3rd floor. Alright, so that's been it. It's now time for a recap, but before that, make sure you check out these really nice B-rolls. Okay, so you have 350 square meters of lot area. So yung maganda doon, 350 siya, pero ang dami niyang nasama, or na-include rather, dun sa property na to. Because you have 597 square meters of floor area, split between 2 levels, and then you have 6 bedrooms. Most of which have an ensuite toilet and bath, pero yung dalawa may shared, so that leaves you with 5 toilet and baths. But you do have a separate female staff quarters and a driver staff quarters, both of which have an ensuite toilet and bath as well. You have space for 5 vehicles, so you remember the covered 2-vehicle carport, right? Which, by the way, right now has a manual gate, but you have the option of installing the mechanism to make it an automated one. And then you have the exposed single vehicle carport, pero pwede pang dalawang kotse sa labas for your guest parking. So that's a total of 5 cars. And then again, this is brand new and it's inside a very exclusive subdivision with an amazing location. This is in Nueva, Alabang. So if you're anyone you know who's interested in a place like this, make sure you send this video to them, or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay?